think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be sharing a basement clean with me today. We're going to be tackling my entire basement, the bathroom, the main living area, and as well we're going to throw in some laundry motivation on top of that. So without further ado, let's jump right in and get into the cleaning. So I am starting off by just putting these blankets here on the couch, but I decided I was kind of sick of the zebra and decided to put the black side on, as yeah, the zebra is just a little bit extra for me, so I got to get rid of these. But our dog likes to sleep and lay on the couches, and we don't want her to wreck the leather. Just thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no words no more, no. Now I am going ahead and tidying up the toys here before sprinkling this amazing floor cleaner on the carpet. It really helps with pet odors, so I wanted to go ahead and get that sprinkled all over the carpet and let it sit there for a minute while I throw a load of laundry in. So hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no words no more. So I just wanted to go ahead and introduce myself here while I am vacuuming my basement. So if you are new, my name is Brianne, and I am a wife and a mama to 2 little girls. I live in Canada, and I love creating tons of lifestyle content. So here on my channel, you will find lots of homemaking and cleaning motivation, and just really lots of lifestyle content. I do the odd home DIY project. So if that's the kind of content that you like, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting caught. So our basement needs a lot of organization, but I am sticking to the cleaning in today's video. So I wanted to go ahead and just tidy up this little office space, as well as our like family area where we watch movies and stuff like that. So I'm just going ahead and wiping it down using my Pledge. I did get the wood method cleaner, and I'm really excited to try it out after I am done with my Pledge. But again, just going around and tidying and cleaning the rest of this area here before moving on to the next task. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to film me organizing my basement here, as it's a hot mess express and it needs to be done. But if y'all don't want to see that, that's totally fine. I will just stick to the cleaning. So let me know in the comments below. You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing. I'm thinking you were made for
for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
Yeah, good job. High five. Can I have a high five? Come here. High five. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys, I had to include that little clip of her helping me with the laundry. She's just the sweetest little thing. She's my little helper, my little buddy, and I honestly just love it so much. So moving on, we are now vacuuming the other side of the basement here before moving on and tackling the basement bathroom.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see?
I would love if you guys are watching, if you would go ahead and tag me over on your Instagram. I will leave my handle here.
Me so speechless, I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow.
All right, you guys, so now that the bathroom is clean, it is now time to go ahead and tackle the stairs. I need to vacuum them so bad. I'm gonna insert a little clip here of what they look like. They have somehow gotten so messy, so filthy, and so let's go ahead and clean these stairs before tackling another load of laundry. Hopefully by the time I'm done vacuuming the stairs, the next load of laundry will be ready for me.
Lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, arms of gold. Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not.
So as I was vacuuming the stairs, I noticed there was some cobwebs, so I had to go ahead and get those vacuumed up as well. The spiders in this house, as you all know if you've been here for a while, are insane, so I try and vacuum up the cobwebs very often. And yeah, I don't normally show that on camera, but I thought I would share it in this video. So now I'm going ahead and tackling the last load of laundry. So if you need some laundry motivation, I'm gonna end the video with that.
You know the drama. You know the drama.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind.